One of the biggest highlights of iOS 18 is the fully redesigned control center. To let you design your control center to your heart's liking, iOS comes with a massive controls gallery. That means you can now choose from a wide range of icons and place the desired ones in the control center for a quick and hassle-free access. That said, follow along to learn how to use the controls gallery to customize your iPhone control center to your heart's liking. To get started, you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the add a control button at the bottom. And now you have to select the preferred control and then place it at the right spot. Notably, you can also use the handle to perfectly adjust the size of each icon. And once you have perfectly designed your control center, tap on an empty space to get out of the editing mode and you are good to go. Since there is no restriction at all, you can make as many control center pages as you need. So select all the important icons that are useful to ensure they are easily accessible when you need them, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily use the controls gallery to perfectly customize your iPhone control center in iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.